Morning, children. Back to our science class. Today we are going to complete the exercises of lesson 6. What is the name of the lesson 6, Nana? Safety and first aid. So, I hope everyone of you understood well. We'll start doing the exercises now. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. For every question, they are giving 4 options now. You have to identify the correct option and tick it. First one. If a fire is caused by petrol, we should dash. Fire caused by the petrol. Petrol is a oil. We all know it floats on water. So such kind of fires, how can we control? Look at here. First option they are giving is put sand over it. Fire controlled by the petrol should be controlled by pouring sand on it. They are saying put sand over it. Second one, not use a fire extinguisher. Use a fire extinguisher is good, but here they are saying not use a fire extinguisher. Third one, throw water on it. If you throw water over the petrol, what happened? If you throw petrol, fire caused by the, if you throw water, fire caused by the petrol, what happens? It floats on water and increases the flame. So this is not correct. Fan the fire, increase the fire, they are saying. So, which one is the correct answer, Anna? Fire accidents caused by the petrol always put off by the sand or fire extinguisher. Put sand over it, they are giving, and not use a fire extinguisher. Using fire extinguisher is correct answer. Here they are giving not use a fire extinguisher. So the correct option is A. Next one. A rigid strip used for supporting broken bone is called a dash. A rigid strip used for supporting a broken bone is called dash. For broken bone, we can support in two ways, Nana. One is using sling, means a cloth-like structure. If you hang that broken part in the cloth-like structure, it is good. Another one is around the fractured part. If you keep any sticks or any newspapers, and if you tie them over the broken part or below the broken part, in that way we can support the broken bone. Otherwise we can use the stretcher, sling, splint, bandage. Here they are giving 4 options. Stretcher. What is a stretcher? Generally we see it in the hospital. Anybody if they are suffering with severe pains or major accidents, and whenever they are unable to move, we should carry that person by the stretcher. Sling is a triangular cloth which help to support the broken bone. Okay, next one, bandage. We are know. Splint is a rigid strip used for supporting a broken bone. So the correct option is C. Third one. Next one. A fire caused by electricity can be put off by using. Fire caused by the electricity. Fire accidents caused by the electricity can be put off by water, fire extinguisher, or by sand. We have 3 options. Fire accidents caused by the oil, fire accidents caused by the electricity. How can we put off? I explained already. Once check the 4 options. A fire caused by the electricity can be put off by using a fire extinguisher. Water. If you pour water on electricity, fire accidents which are caused by the electricity, what happens? What is a good conductor? Electricity flows through the water and it causes the shock. So we should not use water. Nana. Oil. If you pour oil, what happens? It increases the flame. Petrol. We should not use petrol. It is also a kind of oil. It helps to burn. So we should not use water, petrol, oil. What is the correct option? A fire extinguisher is the correct answer. The bite of an animal that causes rabies. What is rabies? It is a kind of disease. Which animal causes this rabies disease? Nana? Snake, dog, bee, mosquito. Dengue, malaria caused by the mosquito. Snake is it spreads poison all over the body. Nan. So the rabies disease is caused by the dog. Next, nose bleeding is common in the months of. In which months we get, generally we used to get the nose bleeding. We all know the blood vessels in the nose are very thin. They can't bear more heat during summer months. They became very thin and they have leakage of blood. So, which month is very hottest run out of all this? Autumn, winter, monsoon, summer. So, nosebleed is common in the summer months. Next one, write T for true and F for false statements. There is no pain in case of fracture. If you have fracture, if anybody have fracture, we don't have any pain they are giving. This is wrong, Nana. If anybody have fracture means they used to have lot of pain. So the given one is wrong. I will write the here on the side of this one and the first statement is false. Next one. The first object of first aid is to save life. The first motive of first aid is to save life. Yes, before arrival of the doctor, we have to help the person, injured person. Okay, in that way we can save his life. So that is the correct one. Next one. Oil is heavier than water. Oil is heavier than water. That is wrong. If it is heavier, it will be below the water. When you pour oil over on the water, it floats on water. So means oil is lighter than water. But here they are giving oil is heavier than water. That is wrong. Yeah, right. If your friend's clothes catch fire, ask him how to run fast. If your friend's clothes catch fire, ask him or her to run fast. If anybody clothes catches fire means will they run? If they run fast, what happened? Tell me. The oxygen around that person helps to burn the fire. If your friend's clothes catch fire, ask him to run fast. They are giving. If they are running, it increases the flame. So instead of running, ask him to roll on the ground. So this one is the wrong statement. Next one. ORS is given in case of nosebleed. ORS is given in case of nosebleed. Is there any relation between nosebleed and ORS? In which condition we are giving ORS? People, those who are suffering with continuous vomitings and motions, we have to provide ORS to them. Okay, for nosebleed we are not giving the ORS. Dehydration, people used to take the ORS, oral rehydration solution. ORS is given in case of nosebleed is the wrong one. Okay, right, false. Next one. The victim of snake bite requires a doctor's immediate attention. Very good. The person, those who have snake bite, immediately they need doctor's attention. That is the correct one. We should not wait for anything after the bitten of snake. Immediately we should consult the doctor. Next one. We should not wear nylon cloths while working in the kitchen. Very good. See, look at, identify the wrong one. See, we should not wear nylon cloths while working in the kitchen. Here they are giving kitchen and they are giving nylon cloths. Is there really any relation between nylon cloths and kitchen? What type of cloths we should wear while we are in the kitchen? Whenever we are cooking, people should wear cotton cloths. These are artificial cloths. They easily catches fire. So we should not wear, they are saying, see, we should not wear nylon cloths. We should not wear nylon cloths while working in the kitchen. This is correct statement. Not wear, they are saying. So it is a correct statement. Identify the mm, false statement and try to recall the correct statement of the given one. It is quite safe for children to play with matchsticks. Safe, quite safe. For whom? Children to play with matchsticks. Playing with matchstick is safe, they are saying. Playing with matchsticks is safe, they are saying. Is it correct? No. False. It leads to fire. That is why should not play with matchsticks. We have to keep matchsticks away from the kids. Okay.